The original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt is a must-have piece for anyone who appreciates unique and bold fashion statements. Designed with a distinctive bird logo that stands out on a classic t-shirt silhouette, this shirt combines simplicity with eye-catching style. Its design pays homage to modern streetwear trends while maintaining a timeless appeal, making it suitable for casual outings, music festivals, or everyday wear. The shirt is available in a range of colors and sizes, allowing everyone to find the perfect fit, whether you pair it with jeans, shorts, or a layered outfit. The original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt adds a touch of individuality to your wardrobe. Original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Show your style with the original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt, unique, trendy, and eye-catching. Stay cozy and stylish with the original No Aku Birds logo sweatshirt, perfect for any casual outing. Stand out in style with the original No Aku Birds logo tank top, perfect for any occasion. Embrace your style with the original No Aku Birds logo ladies tee, perfect for bird lovers. Elevate your style with the original No Aku Birds logo hoodie, where comfort meets creativity. Crafted original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt, 100% cotton. This t-shirt ensures superior comfort and keeping you cool and relaxed all day long. Our product is proudly manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality standards and durability. The fabric is soft to the touch yet resilient enough to withstand frequent washes without losing its shape or vibrant print. The original No Aku Birds logo t-shirt is more than just clothing. It's a statement of style and personality, perfect for gifting or personal collection. It embodies a blend of comfort, quality, and modern design that resonates with fashion enthusiasts of all ages. Other product